Hello students, today I will teach you about chapter 2 geography, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resource. First talk about land. Land is among the most important natural resource. Land covers about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface. 90% of the world population occupies only 30% of the land area. The remaining 70% of land is either sparsely populated or not suitable for habitation. Land is unevenly uninhabited due to various factors of land and climate, water fertility of soil, etc. Normally, the sparsely populated or the land which is not suitable for habitation area are because of rugged topography, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying area means the area which is near to water, coastal area, susceptible to waterlogging, deserted area and thickly forested area. The densely populated area of the world have plains, river valleys, which has suitable for which have suitable land for agriculture. The availability of rich and fertile land make it suitable for living and a huge population reside on it. Mineral richness, water resources, fertility of soil and good topographical condition are important for living. So the next topic is land use. Land use refer to the use of land for different purpose such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and setting up of industries. Factors affecting land use are of two kinds, physical factors and human factors. First, we talk about physical factors. Physical factors include topography, soil, climate, and availability of water. The next is human factor, which include population and technology. On the basis of ownership, the land can be classified as private and community land. What is private land? Private land is owned by an individual or family member and is used for personal purpose like house is a private land. Next is community land is owned by the community for common uses and can be used by anyone in the society like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medical herbs. These community lands are also called common property resources. The demand for land by the people is growing, but the availability of the land is limited. The vast changes in the land use pattern shows the cultural changes in our society. Land degradation, landslides, land erosion, desertification are the major threats to the environment because of the two main reasons. First, the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. Fertile land is exploited more and leads to the bareness if not utilized judicially. Now it is very important topic, conservation of land soil resources. Growing population and their ever-growing demands has led to a large-scale restriction of forest cover and arable land which is suitable for agriculture activity, has created a fear of losing these natural resources. The present rate of degradation of land must be checked. The common methods used to conserve land resources are afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizer, and check on overgrazing. By making rules related to soil and land conservation, and by making the farmers educated regarding the negative aspect of overgrazing and overutilization of fertilizer, the government can play an active role to preserve the soil and land. Thank you.